Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can join the Adopt Me Roblox Discord server. So just load up Discord right here, and then you want to go to the bottom of your server list and press on this plus icon that says add a server. So from here we want to select join a server, and this is what you type. You type discord.gg/adoptme and you press on join a server. As you can see, you're taken to the official Roblox Adopt Me server. You need to verify your Roblox account. So first click on read the rules, select complete right here. Then you want to read through all of these rules, make sure you follow them. Tick this, I have read and agreed to the rules. Click submit. And then where it says verification right here, it will require Rover verification. You can check my pinned comment under this video on how you can verify using Rover. I have a tutorial. And then after you have verified, you're good to go. You can type in the official Adopt Me Roblox server. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.